Hey there, it's Kimberly here with Knit for Brains, and we got some unboxings to do, so stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. If you've never been here before, you're just tuning in, welcome! I'm so glad that you're here. We do tutorials and unboxings, unbaggings, which we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite websites, and it's called Hobbii, Hobbii. They're out of Denmark, and I love this stuff. A couple weeks ago, I did an unboxing of a new project cowl that they're doing with Project Tarian. It's a mystery cowl, which means, hold on, we got the goods, and I unboxed this a few weeks ago. And now we're just waiting for the pattern. It's supposed to launch in early June, so then we kind of get a little bit of a tidbit, a little bit of the pattern each week. But as a result, Hobbii sent me an email and said, hey, we got this new yarn in. Do you want to give it a try? And I was like, okay. I'm like, really? Asked me to try some yarn. What was interesting about this yarn is it's called Toucan Fine. So it's got this really, it's like this real plush, kind of that chenille sort of a look. Velvet, if you will, but it's really fine because oftentimes when you find this, it's real thick. So I was interested to give this a shot, and so that's what we're going to take a look at today. So this is their new line, and it's called Toucan Fine. Now, I do believe there's some other in the Toucan line that are thicker, but I was interested in this one specifically, and they said, if you want to take a look at this, we'll go ahead and, send you a coupon for it. I said, okay. So this comes in at a weight of 4. It's 100% polyester. In each skein, it is 180 meters, 196 yards, or 100 grams. So I'm using about a size J10 or so is what it recommends here on the label. So I got kind of 2. Now there was a bunch of different colors, which we'll show you here in a second, but I got 2 of each one of the colors that I kind of liked. So I got this one here, which is a purple, and they just call it color number 18, but that's sort of a purple. It's very, very soft. This is a kind of a buttercup yellow is what I'm calling it. I got this one here, which is like a fuchsia pink, deep pink. That's really pretty. It's color 14. So I got 2 of these guys. Then I got this really pretty baby blue. I'll hold them up all together at the end so you see what's going on here. Then I got this interesting kind of a lilac color, which is pretty. It's a little bit more of a deeper bluish pink than it might be coming up on the screen. Got another purple. I like purple. Another one of that lilac or blush kind of a pink color. This one is really pretty, kind of a coral orangey color. Really liking these. Oh, and then I got a black, figuring if I'm going to be doing like a blanket or whatever I'm going to do with this, I'm probably going to need to have a black. I got 2 blacks. Another of the powder or baby blue. I feel like there's another bag in here, but I don't think there is. Oh, and they got their famous. All right, what we got in here? Oh, they really liked me this time. Okay. What I was going for was their famous little candies that they always send you, and it says Hobbii, so you know where it comes from. Isn't that sweet? So I got 2. Isn't that nice? I'll give those to the Brit. All right, so we got 2 whites. We got 2 of this pretty coral color, 2 of this buttercup yellow, 2 of the pale blue, 2 of this lilac. There we go. Then we got this kind of a purplish grapish color, black, and then this hot pink. Yeah, that's what we got. So and these aren't all the colors. We're going to go to the computer over here just a second, and so this is what we got. Those are pretty. Yeah, I like them. So, you can use these, I think, for like amigurumi. I'm thinking maybe like a blanket, like a baby blanket would be really nice. sort of like a granny square maybe. This is so new that they don't even have any recommended patterns right now, but this is called the Toucan Fine Hobby, and it's on sale because it's brand new. I think these were like $3 a skein, something like that, with the coupon that they sent me. Once again, it is a weight of a 4, 100% polyester. It's 198 yards. It's nice. It's very nice. I like this. So a lot of you have been asking, like, what's up with Hobbii? Do you like them? Do you enjoy what? Yeah, I really do love the yarn that I get from them. I've gotten so many different kinds. If you want more of your novelty yarn, they have loads and loads of novelty yarns, such as this, right? Or this one here, which I got for the cow. This is the Honey Bunny Candy line. And the Honey Bunny is the actual line. Candy is because of the little speckles that are inside here. So we're going to see this one on the website as well. So they have some novelty yarns, but then they also have, you know, like some really nice cashmere yarns and some wool yarns and some cottons. So we're going to take a look at their website because they're based out of Denmark. So there's a lot of you out there who are like, I live in the UK or I live in Canada and they don't ship here, these different companies. Yeah, I get it. Hobbii does. So that's where we're going to go ahead and take a look at them right now. All right, so let's take a look at the Hobbii website. So Hobbii is located in Copenhagen, Denmark. So they ship not only to the US, all over the world. Take a look at where they deliver. Now, any order over $99 is free. So here you see it's $99 in the United States. Otherwise, shipping is $9.99. It goes into Canada, Australia, New Zealand, the United Kingdom, Estonia, Greece, Hungary, Latvia, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Portugal, Slovak Republic, and Slovenia, as well as Ireland, Hong Kong, and Japan. So hopefully that's going to cover just about all of you. Now, I really do try to hit the $99 just because I don't like paying for shipping if I don't have to. But if you don't want to, you certainly don't have to as well. But I thought this was a great website to get started with because I know there's so many of you that say shipping is too expensive. So shipping is $99. Otherwise, it goes to $4.99. They are always offering a sale. Always, always, always. So here they've got their June sale. Now these are some of their yarns, which are wonderful. I've used their Friends Multi, their Rainbow, which is 100% cotton. Then they've also got, this is their home brands, and they're wonderful, wonderful yarns. Here you see where they're based on the Pantone colors. And then we get into some of the name brands that they carry as well. So here you can see they have the acrylics, the alpacas, the bamboos, cashmere. They've got pretty much everything that you could use. They've also got a lot of blends. They also have some novelty yarns, cakes, and so forth. And then these are the brands that they carry. So they have Friends, Bernat, Cotton Kings, which is wonderful, Viking of Norway, Red Heart, Rico, Katia, which is a lovely yarn based out of Spain. I've used their yarns, and as you can see, their prices are pretty good. That's actually a really good price for that. I've actually used that yarn on a granny swear sweater that I made that I got from Katia, and this is cheaper than going through Katia, so I'm going to remember that next time. This is a collaboration that Hobbii did with Tony Lipsy of TL Yarn Crafts. And I love this yarn. It's wool and cotton 50-50. It's a wonderful yarn. You can see all the different colors. We've got the melange as well as the solids. Really happy with this yarn. And you can see the price is actually dropped and it's a pretty good price. Delivery is again 2 to 5 business days, and then depending on how much you get, shipping is $4.99, and then anything over $99 is free. They also are doing a collaboration with Projectarian. Now the kit is actually sold out. This is the one that I purchased, but you can see here they do these kind of collaborations all the time. This is Projectarian, and this is one of her projects that she did. And then this is what we're going to be getting in the cowl. So this is what you get in the bag if you ordered the Underwater Tales cowl. This is the toucan yarn that I just got. So it's this one here. And you can see all the different colors. that are available. So here you got, this is what I got. The lavender, I got the white, then we got the pastel yellow, got the coral, the lavender, the hot pink or the pink, the violet, the sky blue, and then I also got some of the black as well. I'm really impressed with the Hobbii line and all the different yarns. Let's look at their point stores. So every time you place an order with Hobbii, you get points. Now you can see here, this is my point balance, and it shows you basically how many points you get and then when you use them. You can go here to the point store, and then when you place an order, you can go over here to the point store, use your points, and have any of these items shipped for free or given to you for free using your points. So they've got the buttons, they've got all different kinds of things. And I've actually ordered some yarn from them. This is a purse base. These are really pretty little sock yarns. And some labels. Now here's the Honey Bunny candies, which are great. I'm using those for the mystery cowl. And I actually ordered some of this. It's a vegan cashmere. So I've ordered these two colors here. I could get some more and then make something really fun. But this is a really nice soft yarn. You can also take a look at their crochet hooks. They offer some name brands as well as their own. So they've got here, these are their Hobbii line. Then they've also got the Prim hooks, the Addie hooks. They've also have Tunisian hooks. And their prices are really, really good. If you're a knitter, you can also go back and you can see all the different kinds of knitting needles that they offer as well. And then here, let's take a look at their pattern website. Their pattern website is really extensive, 3,219 patterns, the majority of which are actually free. You can see all these here. They have crochet as well as knitting as well as Tunisian. So you can just pop in here, grab a pattern that you like, and then you can just download it right to your desktop or your laptop. They also have a lot of accessories, buttons, cute bags, adorable buttons. And as you can see, everything is either on sale or even when it's not on sale, their prices are really affordable. And then here you can see all of their sales. So we're currently on their June sale. This is everything that is on sale. And it'll tell you right here at the top what the percentage off is. So you can go right to the 50% off if you want the best deal. You can even sort it by the lowest price all the way up to the highest price, the most popular. It's a very dynamic website, very easy to navigate. I've been very, very impressed every time I've gotten anything from Hobbii. Not only the quality, but the way it is shipped, the speed in which it's shipped, and the quality of all their yarns, whether it's a name brand or whether it's their own. So that's it. Check out Hobbii.com all the time. They've always got sales going on. As a matter of fact, since that last video posted, hello, I got a lot more Hobbii yarns coming in. Check them out. Best place ever to find great yarns at great prices. Thanks so much for watching. This is Kimberly with Knit for Brains, and as always, I'll see you soon.